Welcome back to applelnsider, your go-to channel for the most honest and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into a phone that's making waves in the mid-range market, the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Xiaomi has been known to dominate this segment with feature-packed phones that challenge even the bigger brands, and the Note 15 Pro looks like it might just be one of their best. But does it actually deliver on all the hype? Let's find out. Number 1, the design and build quality of the Redmi Note 15 Pro sets a high bar for mid-range smartphones. From the moment you hold it in your hand, you feel a sense of premium craftsmanship. The back panel, available in a matte frosted glass finish or high-gloss polycarbonate depending on the model, reflects elegance while still being fingerprint resistant. The edges are slightly curved, giving the phone a comfortable grip. Xiaomi has also managed to keep the phone relatively slim and light, making it perfect for single-handed use. The frame is made of aluminum alloy, which not only adds to the phone's durability but also keeps it cool under pressure. The power button doubles as a fast and reliable fingerprint scanner, while the volume rockers are tactile and easy to reach. The camera bump is minimal but still feels prominent enough to show off that you're carrying a device built for imaging. Overall, the design of the Redmi Note 15 Pro doesn't just compete with phones in its price category, it threatens to outshine models well above it. Moving on to number 2, the display on the Redmi Note 15 Pro is stunning. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a full HD Plus resolution, offering punchy colors, deep blacks, and sharp details. But what really makes this screen a treat is the 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, seamless animations, and an overall fast-feeling experience whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, bringing cinema-grade visuals to your palm. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, playing high frame rate games, or editing photos, the clarity and brightness are top-notch. Speaking of brightness, the Note 15 Pro maxes out at 1300 nits, which means outdoor visibility is never a problem, even under direct sunlight. The color calibration out of the box is excellent, with support for DCI-P3 wide color gamut. You also get always-on display functionality, and thanks to the AMOLED tech, it's both beautiful and battery efficient. Xiaomi has included Gorilla Glass Victus protection, which makes it resistant to scratches and accidental drops, so you won't have to baby the screen. Simply put, the display on the Note 15 Pro punches way above its weight class. Let's talk about number 3, performance. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 chip, paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. That means this phone is not just fast, it's blazing fast. Daily tasks like launching apps, switching between them, or browsing with dozens of tabs open feel effortless. Gaming performance is also surprisingly strong. Titles like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly on high settings with consistent frame rates. Thermal management is well optimized too. Xiaomi has included a vapor chamber cooling system, which helps keep the device from overheating during long sessions. Benchmarks don't tell the whole story, but for those who care, the Note 15 Pro posts scores that rival even last year's flagship chips. More importantly, real-world performance is buttery smooth. Storage speeds are excellent, app loading times are nearly instant, and multitasking is fluid. Whether you're a power user or just want a responsive phone that won't lag, the Redmi Note 15 Pro delivers with confidence. At number 4, we have the camera, and this is where Xiaomi really wants to show off. The Redmi Note 15 Pro comes with a triple camera setup led by a 200-megapixel Samsung HP3 main sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels in a mid-range phone. But it's not just about the numbers. Image quality is genuinely impressive. Photos in daylight are rich in detail, with accurate colors and wide dynamic range. The camera uses pixel binning to combine 16 pixels into one, delivering crisp 12.5 megapixels photos with excellent low-light performance. Speaking of low light, night mode on the Note 15 Pro works like magic. It reduces noise, balances highlights and shadows, and brings out details in a way that feels flagship-like. The 8-megapixels ultra-wide camera captures expansive shots with minimal distortion, and the 2-megapixels macro sensor, while basic, can produce fun close-ups with enough light. On the front, the 16-megapixel selfie camera is more than capable for social media content, offering natural skin tones and sharp facial features. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 FPS and includes ISO for stable footage. While it lacks optical image stabilization, the digital stabilization does a decent job, and the audio pickup during recording is clean. For photography lovers on a budget, this camera setup is a big win. Now number 5, battery life. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is backed by a 5100 mAh battery, and this thing is built to last. With average use, messaging, video streaming, light gaming, and social media, you can easily get through a full day and still have 30 to 40% left by bedtime. Even for heavy users, the phone comfortably lasts a full day without requiring a midday charge. What's even better is the 67W turbocharging. It takes the battery from 0 to 50% in just under 20 minutes and fully tops it up in about 45 minutes. That means you can plug it in during a quick shower or coffee break and walk away with hours of power. There's also smart charging support that helps extend battery health over time by learning your charging habits. And despite the big battery, the phone manages to maintain a slim profile and doesn't feel heavy in the pocket, which is quite an achievement. Moving on to number 6, software and features. The Note 15 Pro ships with Xiaomi's Hyper OS based on Android 14. The interface is sleek, smooth, and feature-rich. It brings tons of customization options, from themes and icons to gestures and lock screen tweaks. But what's really notable is how optimized it feels. Bloatware is minimal, and most pre-installed apps can be uninstalled or disabled. Hyper OS introduces improved privacy controls, smoother animations, and faster app launches compared to previous MIUI versions. There are useful features like dual apps, second space, game turbo mode, and a built-in screen recorder that make the phone more versatile. Xiaomi has also promised at least 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, which gives users long-term confidence. The software is clean, customizable, and finally feels as polished as it should be. Finally, number 7, value for money. This is where the Redmi Note 15 Pro absolutely dominates. Priced aggressively in the mid-range bracket, it offers features that are typically found only in premium smartphones. Whether it's the 200 megapixels camera, the AMOLED 120Hz display, fast charging, or solid performance, the overall package is a tremendous bang for your buck. For students, content creators, gamers, or just everyday users who want a reliable phone with great specs, the Note 15 Pro is easily one of the best choices in its category. It doesn't compromise on the essentials, and it goes above and beyond in areas that truly matter to users. So here's the final word from applelnsider. The Redmi Note 15 Pro isn't just another mid-range phone, it's a powerful statement by Xiaomi. It proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a premium smartphone experience. With its beautiful design, flagship-level camera, brilliant display, fast and efficient performance, solid battery life, clean software, and unbeatable value, this phone sets a new benchmark in its segment. If you're looking for a device that delivers where it counts and stays easy on the wallet, this might just be the perfect phone for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to applelnsider for more deep dive reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.